guys, what's up and welcome to today's video. I know this is a couple of weeks late because you've probably seen other reviews, but you know what? I'm still gonna do it anyways. Today I'm going to be giving you my November Boxycharm unboxing. So if you want to see what I got in this month's box, then be sure to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you're always notified of every future upload. All right guys, let's jump into the unboxing. So for those of you who may or may not be familiar with Boxycharm, let me just go ahead and give you a little rundown. Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription service. It is $21 a month, and in each box every month you are guaranteed to get at least 5 full-size beauty products. Now, what really, in my opinion, differs from the rest and makes Boxycharm stand out from the rest of the other subscription services is the fact that you do get full-size products. To date, I think I have been using Boxycharm for almost 2 years now, maybe a year and a half, 2 years, and I've never received a duplicate product, number one. And number two, I've really never been disappointed in anything that I have received. Everything is very quality products. It's, you know, name brand items, so it's not like you're getting a bunch of junk and a bunch of brands you've never even heard of. Now, yes, you probably are going to get some indie brands and brands that are new to the game and are using this as a way to put their product and their brand out there so that they can increase their consumer rate. But all of the products are awesome so far, and they do a really nice job of really listening to your wants and needs and analyzing your profile that you create when you first create your account. And if you're not sure what that is like when you first go onto the Boxycharm website, you will fill out a profile and you'll actually tell a little bit about yourself, your skin tone, your skin type, products that you like. Do you like hair care? Do you like nail products? Do you just want beauty products? Do you not like eyeliners? Do you like eyeshadow palette? Like, literally, they ask you all these questions. And they really encourage you to keep your profile up to date because as your wants, needs, and your style and your taste change, they want to make sure that each month they are sending you products that you will actually use and that you will actually love. So kudos to Boxycharm and for just coming in and really getting the subscription box service to a next level that so far I have been absolutely 100% blown away with, satisfied with. I canceled a lot of my subscription services once I was probably about 6 months in with Boxycharm because I could tell the difference in the quality of products and the amount of products, the size of the products, and the brand of products. So Boxycharm is definitely doing it right. So if you have not checked it out, I will have a link down in the description box. It is an affiliate link, but no worries, you will get a little something too. All right guys, so let's go ahead and see what I got in this month's box. All right, so when you first open it, every box does come with a little card and it tells you everything that is in the box. And it looks like the theme of this month is Gold Digger. And here's what the little graphic looks like. So it looks like we do have, in fact, 5 products. The first product is a luminous eye set from Luxie. So this is a luminous brush set. And it looks like you get 4 synthetic brushes. And it says that it is, so you get a mini round brush, you get a mini tapered brush, a mini flat angled brush, and then a mini angled brush. This does retail for $21. And let me just open this up so you all can see what the brushes actually look like. And I actually believe I have this set already, so I will, try not to touch the bristles, but I will be putting this in my giveaway pal. I am close to 2,500 subscribers, and I promised you all 2,500 subscribers we would have another giveaway. So if you are not already subscribed, be sure to go ahead and subscribe now. Share it with your brother, your sister, your cousin, your mama, your daddy, I don't care who, and help me get to 2,500 subscribers because I have so many good things in this giveaway pal, you guys, that I want to give away to somebody. So, and right now at the rate we're going, I've got enough to split this up to 2 good giveaways. So share, share, share. All right, back to this brush set. So here's what the brush set looks like. Again, it is 4 pieces. It is an eye brush set. And here they are kind of spread out. Looks like a really nice set. You've got the gold glitter handles. Really nice set. So this is perfect for anybody, but definitely if you're starting out with your brush collection and you don't maybe have a complete eye set, this would be perfect. So I'm just gonna put those back in there and I'm gonna slide them on over to the giveaway pile. All right, next up we do have a set of lashes, and this is from Lashaholic Lashes, and these are the style of Instagram false eyelashes. These do retail for $14.99. And here's what the packaging looks like. And here is what the actual lashes look like. So these are definitely, in my opinion, a dramatic lash. Hence the name is Instagram lashes. We know everything is extra and dramatic over there. But anyways, this is a lash style that I probably would not wear. I don't wear lashes very often at all. It's gotta be a special occasion, and even then I do try to go for a more natural look. So again, this is another item that I will put in the giveaway pile. Next up, we have a glitter eyeliner, and this does retail for $5. And this is from the brand Jonte Blue. I think that's how you pronounce it. Here's what the packaging looks like. And it does have a wrapper on it. And I have the absolute worst time getting these damn wrappers off. But let me try to peel it off because I want to show you all what the actual tip of it looks like. So if I can at least get halfway down on this liner, we'll be, oh, there we go. All right, so it does say that it is a glitter liner, and you definitely can see the glitter flakes in it just when you're looking at it. It is not a retractable, but it's soft. I just did a little bit there. Maybe you can see the flakes in them. So, I would wear this. Definitely a little night out eye. Yeah, I would definitely give this a try. All right, next up we have the Cover FX glitter drops in the color Nova, and this does retail for $44. If you're not familiar with the drops from Cover FX, this says it is a ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter, and it's high impact, it is reflective, and it's a multi-use glitter. It can be used alone, under or over makeup, or mixed into your foundation or your moisturizer. And here is what the packaging looks like. The standard Cover FX drop enhancer bottle, so nothing new there, but definitely a product. So let me give this a little shake and then I'll show you what it looks like. So it does come with this little dropper. That's nothing new. And I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand because I feel like a little bit probably goes a long way. And here I just have a little bit and I'm just gonna rub that in. Ooh, definitely reflective. And it is definitely glittery. Obviously, the more you use, the more it'll glitter and shine, but I think that's a nice subtle look that I would use, that I would go for. All right, loving that. Definitely gonna keep this. I'm one of those people, I like to put stuff back in boxes. I know it drives me crazy half the time, but anyways. All right, and the last product. This looks like an eyeshadow palette from Ace Beauty, I don't know, one of the two. And it is the Grandiose palette. And here's what the carton looks like. Let's see if I can get this out. It features 4 shimmer shades, 4 bold mattes, and your new Grandiose palette has all you need to create the ultimate eye look. They are carefully milled and pressed to deliver intense pigmentation and the ultimate ease of blending. Oh, just lost the whole thing. So outside of the palette, very nice, sleek black and gold, and then here is the inside. So first off, it does not have a mirror, but this is a mini palette. Wasn't really expecting much. This does retail for $24.99. Here are the colors. Again, you got 4 mattes and 4 shimmers. So I'm gonna swatch a couple of these for you. Okay, first I'm gonna start with the mattes. Ooh, super creamy. Okay, this is the color Patchouli. Okay, that came off kind of chalky. But we've got Patchouli. And then we've got Rose. And this is another matte. Yeah, they're really kind of chalky. I'm a little disappointed in this one. And then we've got Poppy. Like, they're like flaking off when I'm rubbing it. Like, big pieces are like flaking off. Maybe with a brush it would turn out a little better. And then let's go into Cinnamon. Ugh, not impressed now, guys. That's more like a skin tone for me. And then we'll go into Clove. Ugh. Do y'all see this? Okay, so let me wipe my hands off so that I can swatch these shimmers. So there were four shimmers, 4 mattes. Okay, so this is the lightest matte, and this is, shimmer, and this is Jasmine. It's like your icy color. And then we've got Myrtle. Ooh, now that one's pretty. Out of all the ones that I've swatched so far, Myrtle has been the smoothest to swatch and the easiest. And then we've got Primrose. Okay, and that one was pretty easy too. So the shimmers definitely blend and kind of swatch easier than the mattes. I'm not gonna say they perform better or even apply better or blend out better. But definitely swatching them, they were the better of the 8 shades. Again, I will probably do a full review to kind of do like a fall look with this palette using the proper tools, which is a brush, which is, that will probably be my next video that I upload, my next beauty video, so be on the lookout for that. So maybe my opinion will change a little bit once I actually get to swatch all of them using a brush and actually applying them to my eyes, and so we can see the blendability and the performance from that standpoint. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing. Again, it looks like this retails total for about $110, $115 worth of products. Very, very, very excited about these Cover FX Ultra Glitter Enhancing Drops and the eyeshadow palette. I'm definitely going to play with that a little bit more because I feel like I will probably be more impressed with it after I actually apply it to my eyes and use the proper tools, prime my eyes, use some brushes, that type of thing. So I'll have another video coming with that. And as far as the brush set, again, as I mentioned before, I already have it. So I wanted to put that in the giveaway pile so that one of you guys can get it. Along with the lashes, they are not bad lashes. They're just not my style. So I want to make sure I give them to somebody that will use them. So with that being said, do not forget to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and share this video with your family, your friends, loved ones, or random people you don't know, because I'm sure on all your other social media platforms you're friends with a bunch of people that you have no earthly idea who they are. So be sure to share this video as well as a link to my channel with all of them. Help me get to 2,500 subscribers so I can give away a lot of stuff. And from this palette that's sitting here, I probably can split it up into 2 giveaways. So I want to give back to you guys, so help a girl out. Alright guys, I will see you in the next video, and as my girlfriend Erica would say, bye!